Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. Today, I would like to share a profound truth about my life. I received a miraculous and most precious gift from Baba even without asking. This blessing indeed reveals His omnipresence and omniscience. Since I began worshipping Baba, He has always granted me whatever I asked for, although sometimes it took a little time. Sometimes He blessed me with exactly what I needed without my asking, and always at the perfect moment. Baba knows everything that happens in our lives. When we worship Him with unwavering faith and devotion, He guides and protects us during our most challenging moments. Once Baba takes us under His shelter, He blesses us at the right time with exactly what we need and what He thinks right. Baba always emphasizes the importance of Shraddha and Saburi, faith and patience. Based on my own experience, I can say with confidence that receiving Baba's blessings is certain even if it takes some time. Baba's blessings often come in unimaginable and unexpected ways beyond our human understanding. Today, I want to share one incredible miracle Baba bestowed upon me, the blessing of motherhood. We did not have children until 5 years of my marriage. During that time, my faith in Sai Baba deepened. He called me to Shirdi, and I felt His grace transforming my life with each visit. Baba, in His infinite wisdom, knew my innermost desires and needs even when I hadn't asked them. Though I never specifically asked Baba for a child, He blessed me with the gift of motherhood at the perfect time after I had cleared all my official exams and received promotions in my career. Baba designed everything so beautifully that by the time my child arrived, I was free from major responsibilities and distractions. This is the nature of Baba's grace. His divine plans far exceed anything we can imagine. In Sri Sai Satcharita, we find many similar instances where Baba blessed his childless devotees with children. I am forever grateful to Baba for this wonderful blessing. His timing was perfect and His grace has always been with me. My heart is filled with gratitude whenever I reflect on many blessings He has showered upon me, and I will always remain thankful for that to our Sadguru, Sri Shirdi Sai Baba. I am sharing this experience with all devotees who may be in a similar situation and are struggling to have children. For those seeking Baba's grace, I can confidently say from my own experience that with unwavering faith and devotion, they too will undoubtedly receive His divine blessings. So let us trust Baba, embrace His divine timing, and open our hearts to the endless blessings He has in store for us. He will guide, protect, and bless us in ways we cannot imagine. Let us meet in the next episode with another wonderful blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.